An invigorating shampoo that exfoliates the scalp. This shampoo combats against the visible signs of hair loss due to breakage. It creates an optimal environment to restore damaged hair. The packlage dimension of the product is 2L×2W× 5.8H. An invigorating shampoo that exfoliates the scalp, creating an optimal environment to restore damaged hair. This shampoo combats against the visible signs of hair loss due to breakage. Top reviews from the United States. I had read that after a week of using the product I could review it and receive an additional free. The product is fine. It is very expensive, but I figured I could receive 2 for the price of 1, therefore I tried it. I have not received my free one. I would like it, or I will have to return this product.